Here's Goldbachen's expert advice on how to install new globes or lights on your vehicle. Let's show you how to keep the lights on. No stages, no phases. All you need is replacement bulbs and a little bit of time. Most vehicles have multiple lights, such as headlights, tail lights, turn lights, and interior lights. You need to ask yourself which of these do you need to replace, and then what type of globe or light does it use. This information can be found on your owner's manual or the label on the old globe or light. It is important to choose the correct one that is compatible with your vehicle's electrical system. Once you have this, switch the vehicle off and wait for the light that needs to be replaced to cool down before removing it. Go ahead once it's cool enough. Now, depending on where the light is located, you may need to remove a cover, unscrew a retaining ring, or disconnect a wiring harness. Always check and follow the instructions in your vehicle's owner's manual. It's time to install the new globe or light. Insert it into the socket and secure using a retainer ring, cover, or wiring harness. Make sure it's properly aligned and securely fastened. Now, turn the vehicle on to test. If the light doesn't come on, unfortunately, your vehicle is suffering from load shedding. Only joking. Seriously though, if it's not working, you may need to consult a professional mechanic. These are merely guidelines and may vary depending on the make and model of your vehicle. Your vehicle's owner's manual will have the relevant information you need, so take a peek in there. Sharing is caring, and when you know, so get in the know. Goldbachen, the parts supplier of choice catering for all top vehicle brands.